In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called LaunchOS from LaunchOS Studio. Not sponsored, by the way. After you get it, you don't have to open it. What you need to do is exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Once in Settings, scroll to hit Apps. Select the default apps here. And finally hit Home app to tap on Launcher Pro. Then wait for the pop-up to show. And when it does, tap on Allow All. As you can see, after a few seconds, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wanna make any changes, go into Launcher Pro app, which in Play Store is called LaunchOS, and follow the tutorial to adjust all of cool settings. You can also go to the last page and then hit OK in this pop-up. Now manage all of those however you want to. If you wish to go back to your standard layout, go into the same settings and choose System Launcher. You can switch between them whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!